everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing princess accessories. I hope you have fun. Make sure you get your pen, your pencil, your markers, whatever you have to draw with, and today we will be doing some accessories. And as we're doing the accessories, I've got some fun facts to tell you about Disney princesses. Before we get started, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Thank you. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The first Disney princess trivia fact. Did you know that Mulan's story is based on an ancient Chinese legend of a female warrior named Hua Mulan from a poem titled The Ballad of Mulan? So there's actually kind of history behind it, so it's kind of cool. All right, so here we're doing a little bit of a bracelet, a princess bracelet. I'm not gonna lie, I like a lot of those princesses. Ariel is awesome from The Little Mermaid, and I like Princess Elsa and a lot of them. So they're really cool. One of my favorite movies is Frozen. I love Frozen. Frozen was amazing. I wish they would make a part 2. I really want to see it. It was all about being a princess and being independent and loving yourself, which was kind of cool. All right, so number 2. Snow White is supposed to be 14 years old. She's the youngest Disney princess. I bet you did not know that Snow White was only 14 years old. Which Disney princesses are left-handed? Do you know? Well, the left-handed princesses are Mulan and Tiana. Those are the 2 left-handed princesses. I actually didn't know that until just recently, so that's kind of cool. Look at this dress. We're gonna be making such a cool dress here. You can color this blue or pink or whatever color you want at the end, okay? Did you know that Belle is the only Disney princess with hazel eyes? Well, it's true. Belle's looks are inspired by Judy Garland in The Wizard of Oz and Julie Andrews in The Sound of Music. Did you know that Mulan is the first Disney lady that isn't actually a princess? Disney princesses are either royal by birth or marry into royalty. But in my book, she's still considered a princess. Pocahontas is the only princess based on a real person. Rapunzel's eyes are the biggest compared to her Disney princess counterparts, but we could have guessed that. Her eyes are really big. Once we're done finishing all this, you could actually start drawing your own Disney princess and put all of these things on her. How cool would that be? So, how old do you think Belle is supposed to be? Well, Belle is supposed to be 17 years old. That's a little bit younger than I thought she was supposed to be, but maybe about right. Jasmine's character is based on the princess from an Arabic folktale called 1001 Nights. Rapunzel and Snow White? Well, they're both from Bavaria. And Cinderella is supposed to be 19 years old. So Walt Disney had a favorite piece of animation, and it was from Cinderella. What do you think it was? Well, it was the transformation scene where Cinderella's dress goes from rags to a gown ball. And I'd have to say that's a really cool transition. I like that part of Cinderella. I like Gus Gus. Me's a Gus Gus. If you've ever watched Cinderella, you know who Gus Gus is. It's that mouse. And guess what? I have 4 dogs, and one of my dogs is actually named Gus Gus. So that's a true fact about me. Guess who the quietest princess was of all the princesses? Princess Aurora only had 18 minutes of screen time and 18 lines of dialogue in the film, making her the quietest princess ever. After auditioning for more than 150 girls for the voice of Snow White, the part went to 20-year-old Adriana. Her father, a singing coach, was helping Disney find a voice talent. Adriana overheard her father's phone conversation and began talking in the background to prove she was the perfect voice. And she ended up getting the part. How cool is that? Did you know that Pocahontas is the only Disney princess with a tattoo? You go, girl. All right, look at how beautiful this dress and this shoe and this necklace are turning out. You know, if I were you, I would draw this shoe blue and make it look like a glass slipper. We're putting pink down for the dress on the little frills, and we're gonna put some yellow into the middle section. You can do whatever colors you wanna do though. So who is your favorite princess? Who is it? Let me know in the comments below, and of course, make sure that you like this video if you do like this video. Did you know that all of Cinderella, the entire show, was shot live action in real life so that they could use it for a guide for animation? There are so many cool princess facts I didn't even know until I looked them up. But Disney especially has a whole bunch of awesome Disney facts. They have so much work and effort and secrecy that they put into it, and there's always stuff in the background and stuff like that from other movies, and it's pretty cool to watch. Did you know that Mulan was redesigned, and this caused a significant upset because it looked as if her skin was lightened? Similar claims were made for Pocahontas and Jasmine. Disney's Pocahontas was 18 in the film, but in real life, Pocahontas met John Smith at a much younger age. Roy Disney said that it made a more dramatic telling of the story. So do you have any Disney princess jewelry or anything like that? I don't personally. I have 2 boys, and so they don't as well. Not that they couldn't if they didn't want to. But yeah, do you guys have any? I know I had 2 sisters who both had princess jewelry and the princess mirrors and stuff like that. What is your favorite piece of jewelry? I buy my wife diamond earrings and she loses them. And I buy my wife all these cool stuff, but she sticks with the simple stuff, and I think that's cool too. I got her like one of those wood watches, and those are pretty cool. So what is your favorite piece? Would you be studded in diamonds forever if you could? Or would you keep it simple? Do you love dresses? Do you like pants? What is your Disney princess dream? So from everything we said in the past here, of course Walt Disney's favorite heroine would have to be Cinderella, and he told the actress that played the voice of Cinderella. So I'm sure that was pretty cool for her. We are almost done with this video. We're gonna be drawing in pink shoes. Like I said earlier though, if I were you, I would do blue and make it look like a glass slipper. But you can use whatever color you want, it doesn't matter. It's your drawing, and it's gonna be awesome no matter what. We'll put a little bit of yellow in the shoe so that it'll match the dress as well. Thank you guys so much for watching Rainbow Brush. Once again, my name is Brian, and I would love to see all the drawings that you did today and all the comments that you would like to make. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. As always, bye-bye.